Good afternoon from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
On today's adventure, we're going to be doing Ripley's Mountain Coaster.
This is the fourth coaster in our coaster series. Neither of us have ever ridden this coaster, so we're going to go check it out, see what it's like, see where it ranks in our top coasters in the Smoky Mountains.
We'll show you the ride, height, and weight requirements of this mountain coaster, show you what the seat is like that you'll be sitting on, and answer the question, can you control your own speed? And just give you a feel of what this ride is like. So let's hop inside and check out Ripley's Mountain Coaster in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So one thing that's hard to come by in Gatlinburg is free parking, but you are able to park in front of the Ripley's Mountain Coaster building, and you can also add this on to their aquarium. We really like the aquarium here in Gatlinburg. The more Ripley's attractions you buy, the cheaper it is per attraction. Here's a look at their current pricing, and they also have an all-day pass for $22.99 if you want to ride it a number of times. Check out this bear up here. Now let's work our way back to the mountain coaster. We just have to sign a quick waiver before we hop on the coaster. So all we have to do is head upstairs now that we've signed off the waiver. Looks like if you don't do the all-day pass, you can re-ride the coaster for only $5. We made it up to the second floor where we'll be getting on the coaster. Here's a look at the height and weight requirements of this particular mountain coaster. The key thing to know is you can't be over 375 pounds in dry conditions, or 330 if there is wet weather. So I gotta step on the scale. Am I good?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew, that would have been trouble. All right, so past the weight test, heading over to get on the coaster. So you can ride a tandem or two people if you are under the height weight requirements. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right,
I'm
here we go.
excited. New coaster.
All right, have fun. Thank you, Alex. All right, here we go. Taking off on Ripley's Mountain Coaster. When I start, I don't actually have to push down anything. It's just gonna pull me up to the top. So they said this is about a 3 to 5 minute ride, depending on how much of the brakes you use. So you can control your speed and see what this one is like. Again, this is my very first time. I've seen it from a distance, but I've never actually been on it. They also said you can get a top speed of 35 miles per hour. I don't know if I just said that. I might be repeating myself. I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, look at the view. This is awesome. You can actually see the Gatlinburg Space Needle off in the distance. Yeah, really nice little view up here. Looks like we're about to look down on the parkway. Can hear the river. Whoa! Oh, this is a nice little lift up to the top. So this particular mountain coaster, they said, was built in 2016. So it's about 10 years old at this point in time. And the one thing they encourage you is to just not fully stop on the track. You can slow down, but don't hit the brakes. It looks like there's some photos along this wall on the left side here. Welcome to the climb. Have you tried our gliders? I think the glider's down right now. See you again soon. And they're advertising some of the other Ripley's attractions here in Gatlinburg as well as in Pigeon Forge. We are up at the greenhouse, so we can push the handle forward now. Got it. Here we go. Nice little turn on the beginning here. Whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, there's a camera. Okay, we are really whipping around on this one. Oh! Wow. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Whoa, we were really high. Oh, whoa, oh, 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 around the turn. Oh, oh, there we go. Wow. I don't know if we hit 35 miles per hour. That was pretty fast. Oh, that was fun. Now we just got a little track that's gonna bring us back up to the loading station. And I can let go and you get a really nice little view of the water down here. You can hear it. So we're moving slow, but letting the adrenaline slow down here. Oh, that was fun. I'm curious what Brie thinks of this one. It's a great day to be out on the mountain coasters. Some butterflies right over here. They will remain open even if it's raining, as long as it's, you know, a lighter rain, they can still operate. But they will get shut down if there's lightning or excessive winds, because you're kind of going up through the trees. They don't want a tree to come down from the wind. But otherwise, they'll operate year-round. And today's a great day to be out here at Ripley's Mountain Coaster. This was fun. Hey. Oh, that was awesome.
You go ahead and take off both of your seatbelts.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much. Ah. That was fun. I meant to point out they do have some lockers down here at the bottom, so if you have some things you don't want to lose on the ride, you can use that. And then you can come in here and check out your photos. You can find your photos and you can purchase them with a number of different backgrounds, including a Sasquatch one. So you can buy photos here if you'd like to. But as we've worked our way back down the stairs, we're gonna go out front and talk about how we would rank this coaster. Well, Brie, what'd you think of Ripley's Mountain Coaster here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee?
I actually really enjoyed this ride. It was super smooth. I really enjoyed the ride up. You were in the mountains, you're in the woods, you're really immersed in Gatlinburg mountains here. And I really enjoyed the ride down. It was super smooth, really fun, not super long, but a very smooth and fun ride. What'd you think?
This one actually surprised me. This was my very first ride, and it says it can get up to 35 miles per hour. Some of the other ones that we've done are capped out at about 25 is what they say. I really like this one. I would definitely ride it again. It is a nice little ride up into the mountains. I love the view as I turned off to the left to see the Gatlinburg Space Needle and just the mountains in the distance. So if you're looking for a place that you can just pull in, park for free, get a little view of the mountains and a fun ride, I really like this one. We got a kid in the background. Stand by. It's got some pretty good long sections that you might be able to get to that or get pretty close to it depending on how brave you are with those brakes, but I like that. Those are a nice little fun ride here in Gatlinburg.
So let's rank this one.
I don't know how to rank this one. I'm now thinking, now that we've done a couple, where do I want what to fall what?
Well, let's make a ranking and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Don't overthink it.
Okay, I'm not gonna overthink it. I'm overthinking it. Okay, let's rank this one in 3, 2, 1, 2.
1. Okay.
So you say this is better than Hellbender?
I do think it's better than Hellbender because I feel like it's a little bit smoother.
Okay.
But tell me why you think Hellbender's better.
I think I like that one a little bit better, but I mean, convince me over. Bring me over to your side.
You bring me to your side.
Well, I think, you know, Hellbender is a newer coaster, and I don't have a good argument prepared. Listen, I wasn't prepared to go to court today.
No, I mean, I can see your point. I'd say I'm okay putting it at 2.
But then I was about to say I'm okay to put this at 1.
Oh, we're switching sides?
Yeah, we're switching sides. My arm's getting tired.
Tell me why you think Hellbender is better.
Well, I do like the fact that at the Hellbender, which was the last video we did, it's down in the pinned comment. That one you start right away. You're right into the action.
Yeah.
Some people might say, well, they like kind of to have a build up to it and that the end has a grand finale, but I kind of like the Hellbender. It was a fun little ride.
I see your point. I can move this one to 2 and we can leave Hellbender at 1.
Okay.
So we'll put this one at number 2.
So currently Hellbender number 1, Ripley's Mountain Coaster number 2. Great time, really enjoyed this. Would do either of them. So we're actually gonna jump over to our 5th coaster in our Best of the Smokies coaster series. So you can check that out tomorrow, or that will be down in the pinned comment. But if you found this video helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor, simply like the video. It's a great way to support our channel. Let us know in the comments, have you been on this mountain coaster in Gatlinburg, Tennessee? What did you think of it, or would you like to ride it? But if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. You want to check out this next video up here. We're going to go do another coaster.
Right there.
So check this one out. That's number 5. We're going to do number 5. You can actually walk to it from here. So watch this. It should be fun. I hope so. It
Okay.
should be good. All right.
Let's
here
do
we
it.
go. Let's go.